All right, this is Quantum EA back with another stock to watch. This is a general stock we watch every day, all day. This is SPX. Um, so it is kind of in the middle. I really don't like long or shorts here at this level. You see, this is the POC, the hourly POC right here, and it's just been basically oscillating around this. It's kind of broke up to it, rejected, jerked it, broke above, came down, tested it, powered back through, rejected resistance, came back down, tested, sharp break back down. Um, Somewhat fill this in this lower imbalance gap, swept the lows, then shot right back up and kind of been oscillating around, shot back down on some news to this previous imbalance gap, and it was a perfect long spot. Um, as far as trade ideas for SPX, when I look, this is the volume. This is not the OI. This is the actual volume, the Friday's trading volume for tomorrow's expiration for 6/2. Um, so this is the position I'm looking at, and I just don't like anything right now. I don't want to go. Yes, there is a lot of put volume that came in on Friday, but I really I don't like this area. If it was down here, closer to down here, we maybe could look for longs and scale down to about 58.45, and that would be our cutoff for longs, and maybe look for pop back up here. Uh, so yes, I mean it is bullish, right? This is bullish. Three bullish candles creating a little imbalance on these last two. It is bullish structure going into, but this is just the level where it's just rejected. Same thing here. You had all these bullish candles in a row, and it just barely broke above, came back down, broke above, came back down, and just been chopping around. And so this 59.11 has been a pain in the butt. So unless we have some upward movement or downward movement pre-market, um, I will stay away from SPX. Um, the stochastics is kind of at a resistance zone where it can reject here, or it can head up to this longer term resistance on the stochastics, which will probably put it up closer to this previous week's high, possibly touch the resistance zone. It all depends. This is literally all dependent on this trade war going on. One tweet can tank it or moon it. That's literally that was this candle right here. Um, Actually, this right here. I think this was one. I can't remember. It's been so many of them. It's one headline after another about trade deals this, trade deals that, trade deals not working, people not following agreements. And it's literally just been up and down, up and down, up and down since the 13th. Uh, Hopefully this week we can get some more clarity. We can get some more stuff figured out so we can actually get a solid push, or we can get a solid reject. Either way, either trade deals are going to come through and we can get a solid push, or trade deals are just it's a mute talking point, and we can get a push down to fill these lower imbalances. So, like I said, I'm not directional on this, even though it is bullish, because it was also bullish right here before it rejected. It was bullish right here, and it did push up, and it came right back down. Super bullish candle came up and came right back down. Um, I really like longer plays. I'm trying to swing more. Um, my bread and butter right now with uncertainty is scalping, but I used to do a lot of swings. I did swings earlier, but when trade wars start, man, those positions were getting absolutely wrecked on one tweet. So um, I think, like I said, if we get a push up, we'll see how the volume and everything is, because it could break here and keep pushing up. So if we get a push up, we can test, come back, and if we can test this previous week high, um, I'll look for longs to possibly break through this resistance zone. If we gap down and we push up and we're still struggling around this 59.11, then possibly look for shorts to come down and fill this imbalance. So that's how I'm looking at it. I need a push one way or another before taking a trade on SPX. Um, yeah, and that's about it. Don't forget to follow me. Like I said, I post tons of updates on X. I'll be posting long form videos on YouTube, and I'll try to post some shorts with entries, exits, and all that kind of stuff with the scalps that I take. These videos right here are just weekly outlooks. And if a new stock pops up that's like, okay, good trade opportunity, I'll add that. I'll add them as they come. Don't forget to follow Quantum EA, and let's get this morning.